Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of culinary delights. It refers to a sweet course typically enjoyed at the end of a meal. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as dessert, 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 dessert. Dessert is crucial in dining culture, helping people to savor the conclusion of their meal with something sweet and enjoyable. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about dessert, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.